the Hustle drink is the energy drink that takes kids to school. The first 100% black-owned energy drink is called Mo Fire. My name is Busisa, they call me DJ Spoo. I run an education foundation. I want everybody in this plane to know about Mo Fire. Mo Fire will take over the world. It's the #1 brand coming from South Africa. Mo Fire energy drink. We usually sell it for $10, but I'm not selling it. I want you to know about the Mo Fire energy drink. Inspiring kids, taking kids to school. Don't tell me about international brand. We're sick and tired of things that come from outside countries and they come into our own country and keep consuming them. Right now, we're telling you about creating our own, consuming our own, and being proudly South African. The name is DJ Spoo and the drink is called Mo Fire. When I say Mo, I want everybody in this plane to say fire. Mo! Fire! You guys are dead, I can't hear the energy. This is an energy drink. It takes kids to school. When I say Mo, you say fire. Mo! Fire! Mo! Fire! Mo! Fire! On fire! Thank you very much. God bless you. The Hustler's drink.
They fear you because you are young. They fear you because you are the future.
It all simple. I say what I like. Steve Biko wrote what he like. I am Skillcom. I will say whatever I like. This is the way to becoming a billionaire. You gotta pay the price. You gotta get your hands dirty for the ultimate prize. This is the journey for DJ Spoo, a phenomenal entrepreneur, a founder of Mo Fire energy drink, South African black-owned 100% energy drink. It is taking the world by storm. I'm inspired by this young man. I'm inspired by this young man from Tembisa, DJ Spoo.